ICD-10 PCS JJ-PCA Guidelines, page 24, part 10.
Biopsy procedures.
We're studying biopsy procedures, right? So the B3.4a says that?
It says that the biopsy procedures are
Coded.
using the root operations, excision, extraction, or drainage, and the qualifier diagnosis.
Right. One of these operations, depending on the biopsy, is you use excision, extraction, or drainage. But after that, you need, in the seventh character, you need a qualifier. That's one of the uses for the seventh character. In this case, the seventh character, it's a qualifier, and you're going to see that it's X. X means it was a diagnostic, okay? Oh. We have an example there. The example that we have is diagnostic percutaneous paracentesis for ascites. That's the biopsy procedure. And the code is?
Code is 0W9G3ZX.
Right. Now we're going to explain to you what is all the sections. The 0 means medical and surgical, right? The W means the anatomical regions general, right?
Yes.
The 9 means the root operation, which in this case is drainage,
yes.
Right? The G is the peritoneal cavity,
yes.
Right? And the 3 is the approach, which is percutaneous through the skin.
Yes.
The C is there's no device, you don't leave anything in the body. And the one that interests us, the last one, the seventh character, is an X. Why is it an X? Because it's a diagnostic. This biopsy was done to diagnose, to find out what's wrong with the patient, right? Yeah. So you take a little bit of tissue out and you examine that tissue. That means diagnosis, right? That's what's diagnostic, and that's why we need in the seventh place an X for diagnostic, okay? That's our theory for today. Now we're gonna do a little problem. So ready, set, go. All right, PCS JJ-PCA. This is page 611, exercise 42, and is a level 1 exercise, and it reads like this.
Removal of left thumbnail.
That's the procedure. Removal of left thumbnail, okay? So now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the procedure, the PCS procedure code, or the PCS code for this procedure, right? Removal of left thumbnail. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 0HD-QXZZ. Did you get that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. All right, one tip.
Start with extraction.
Right, in PCS, removal means?
Extraction.
Extraction, okay? If the doctor writes removal of thumbnail, don't look for removal. Start with extraction, okay? This is the specific language for PCS, okay? So that's a tip. So start with extraction, and then you should be able to find the answer. The answer is 0HD-QXZZ, but now we're gonna count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the path to the answer, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the whole summary of the problem. The procedure is a removal of left thumbnail. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to extraction.
Remember, we told you removal is extraction, so extraction. Go to extraction, and then you go to?
Fingernail.
The thumb is a fingernail. That is a nail of the fingers. The thumb is a finger, so go to fingernail. And what do you get?
You get 0HD-QXZZ.
That's the whole code, but we have to check it in the tabular anyway, right? So we go to the code 1 through the tabular is checked like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to the first 3 characters.
The first 3 characters, which are?
0HD.
Okay, 0 means?
Medical and surgical.
H means?
Skin and breast.
Which is the main system. And D is the root operation, which is?
Extraction.
Extraction. Now we're going to go to the body part, which is the 4th character, which is a?
Q is fingernail.
Q is fingernail, right? And now the approach. The approach for the operation is?
The approach is external.
X for external, right? It means that you didn't have to go percutaneous or you didn't have to make any incision because the nail is outside, so it's external, right?
Right.
Now the sixth one, right, is Z, no device, because we don't leave anything in the body after the operation, right?
Right.
And the last one is
C, no qualifier.
we don't need an extra code or the seventh code to identify this procedure, so there's no qualifier. So that's the equal sign means double check this code. So the answer is 0HDQXZZ. Okay? So don't forget, thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website. And also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
all right, just click on the red rectangle, and what will they get?
You will get up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Okay, so don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.